Old CAD means that engineers are system administrators and software administrators and hardware administrators. New CAD means engineers can do what they love, design innovative products.
It's not acceptable at this company to not move forward.
If you don't like change, you're not going to be happy here. When something better comes along, we're going to try it.
Old CAD is limited by old technology.
Expensive software running on expensive hardware.
You're spending your time trying to fix the software rather than fixing your design.
Everything is moving to the cloud. And for CAD to not do that just doesn't make any sense.
The more you look at it, the more you realize, do I keep going through this pain, or do I at least try something new?
So a couple years ago, we stumbled upon Onshape in a blog.
It was met with some skepticism. I myself was skeptical in the beginning.
A buddy of mine pulled it up on his phone. I thought he had like a viewer up, told me, no, this is the actual model. Look, you can edit.
Finding out that we could use simpler computers and just have the CAD run in an internet browser, that's what really intrigued me at first.
Everyone was kind of thinking the same thing. If this can work, we need to do it.
How we chose to do it was to take one guy, have him go complete Onshape, and see what he thinks after just living in the world of Onshape for a few months.
I was the guinea pig and got to just take a first look at it and see what would be beneficial for our company. It didn't take very long before we were seeing, wow, this tool is really becoming useful.
And after 3 months, he didn't want to go back.
Very first time we logged in while driving back from a potential customer visit and designed the first part that we ever did on the phone. And that was just astonishing. That's what sold us. The fact that we can collaborate inside a single document on multiple facets of the design at once. Just because Onshape's a web-based application, don't think that it's not a fully capable CAD package.
A lot of times in other systems, you have to wait for them to finish. Whereas if you're just working on a portion of it, in Onshape you could be working on those in parallel and reducing some of the downtime.
It is incredible the degree to which you're able to compress the time scale of bringing innovations to the market.
To share the ideas and keep those ideas moving, that's the glory of Onshape.
The complexity of designing a snowmobile and really any sort of large project is integrating things properly together.
There are over 1,500 unique parts and over 3,000 repeated parts. So it is a very complex product.
Once we started looking under the hood, that was what really made us think, okay, we got something that we can really work with here.
It allows us to save thousands of dollars per user per year, and that's resources we can put straight back into development.
Switching CAD platforms is not comfortable. Onshape made it easy. We took that leap, went full on board with Onshape, and we haven't looked back.
We wanted to get better. We wanted to get faster. We wanted to be more efficient.
What I say to my peers is, go give it a shot. What really drives me as an engineer is I like to create things and come up with new solutions to different problems.
It's a tool that works, makes us competitive, makes us more creative, moves us forward.
Onshape is really allowing us to get back to being what it is that we're passionate about, being engineers.